Introducing KipwareXC G-code conversion software, an innovative solution for CNC. Kipware allows users to easily transfer G-code between machines without the need for reposting or reprogramming. Eliminate downtime and boost productivity. Purchase and focus on the best machine for you and your shop. Realize seamless operation between all the CNCs on your shop floor. Quickly, easily, and automatically convert G-code between formats in seconds. And when buying new CNCs, you can transform your old formatted programs into new formatted programs effortlessly and automatically. No more starting from scratch with reposting and reprogramming. With Kipware, you can experience the future of CNC programming today. Enjoy seamless integration across all your CNC machines. Reduce errors, improve efficiency, and vastly increase turnaround by saving time and resources in production. Eliminate CNC control incompatibility from your shop floor. Kipware makes it all possible. Ready to transform your shop floor? Visit our website at kipware.com or our YouTube channel, KT Software. See Kipware in action by scheduling a live online demo today. Experience the power that is G-code conversion with the innovative and pioneering Kipware conversion software. Join us in the future of CNC programming.